What makes these mountains different from other mountains? These mountains are volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, gases and rock shoot up through the opening. Eruptions can cause lava flows, hot ash flows, mudslides, avalanches, falling ash, and even floods. Volcanoes can send ash in the air as high as 17 miles. Volcanoes are usually located where tectonic plates meet. There are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. More than half of these volcanoes are part of the Ring of Fire, a region that encircles the Pacific Ocean. There are 3 types of volcanoes. One type is active, which means the volcano shows regular activity. Another type is dormant, which means the volcano was active in recent history but is now quiet. Another type is extinct, which means there is no activity in historical times and it is unlikely to erupt again, like this volcano that the Edinburgh Castle sits on.